Paul Smith, President and Chief Operating Officer with ASCRS Pharmaceuticals. Pleasure to be with you here today. Appreciate the opportunity to share a bit of news. Yeah, so here at ASCRS, we've been developing a novel eye drop called CSF1 for the treatment of presbyopia. It relies upon a well-known mechanism called pupil modulation to achieve what's referred to as the pinhole effect. And through the pinhole effect, we're able to increase depth of field, which improves near vision for patients with presbyopia. Yeah, CSF1 is really, we say a product that's been designed with the patient in mind. And when we look historically at the various options or alternatives that patients have considered for managing their presbyopia, they all come with certain trade-offs. And so whether those were spectacles or contact lenses, really the opportunity to meet more of these patients where they are is what's the vision behind CSF1. And so the attributes that we've prioritized in the development of CSF1 are efficacy, safety, and comfort. And really, we believe delivering against those three dimensions will create a product that more patients will prefer and will really complement what they are already doing to manage their presbyopia today. Very excited here at ASCRS to have two presentations being delivered on the phase 2B clinical trial for CSF1. In that trial, CSF1 was studied in 166 patients. We're honored to have those presentations being given by Drs. Priya Gupta and Dr. Marjan Farid. And across those two presentations, they'll be sharing the results for the primary efficacy outcome with CSF1, which was an improvement in near visual acuity of 3 lines or more without the loss of 1 line or more in distance visual acuity. Another of those presentations deals with the notion of sustained vision or functional vision, in which the results will be presented from a post hoc analysis that looks at the binocular 20/40 performance, which really approximates real world vision in a real world scenario across an 8-hour workday. So really excited to have those data shared here on Monday. Yes, we've just recently shared data from the top-line readout of our phase 3 clinical program, which comprises 2 protocols, NEAR 1 and NEAR 2. And within that, we shared that CSF1 across the study in which 613 patients were evaluated, achieved its primary efficacy outcome, which is really exciting news on our path towards submission with FDA and ultimately an approval and launch. We also looked at the adverse event profile in those phase 3 studies, which is a really important consideration when you consider the desires of presbyopia patients who are seeking an alternative to readers. And in this case, the most commonly reported adverse events with CSF1, which were headache and installation site pain, occurred at a rate of 6.8% and 5.8% respectively. We think that'll appeal to many patients and are pleased to share the initial results with full results forthcoming here in the coming months. Overall, we're really excited here at ASCRS with the results of our phase 3 program. Where we are really in development has now been 5 years in the making. So to see all the team's efforts culminate in this very positive readout really is encouraging. As we move forward with FDA filing here in the coming weeks and months, we're very excited about an approval in sometime next year and entering this expansive market as the next presbyopia drop for these patients who are very much in need.